The RAAS Devigarh exceeded our every expectation. It is a destination in itself. Beautifully appointed suites, heated swimming pool, places to sit and enjoy the view from every angle. This hotel embodies Rajasthan. The food was also fantastic. The staff deserve a special mention. Not only were they attentive and extremely well trained, but they were happy and obviously proud of the hotel and their heritage. Many were from the local village of Delwara. Thank you RAAS Devigarh. My husband and I traveled to Udaipur last year and did a beautiful lakeside stay. That was fabulous. We decided to visit again this year but wanted a different experience. We wanted to be closer to locals, and we were excited about staying at a hotel that really values a green connection to the earth. This hotel blows away what we were expecting. We're already thinking about our next visit. My advice, stay a couple of days lakeside and then drive the 30 minutes to the Udaipur hills. The best of both worlds. We had an unforgettable stay at the Devigarh. The personalized service was one of the best we have ever experienced. The team was incredible. The general manager is a fantastic leader with an excellent eye for detail, and the rest of the staff go out of their way to make your stay unforgettable. The food was delicious and we highly recommend the private dining. The property itself is beautiful with fantastic views, a definite choice for travelers looking to relax but also wanting to visit the city of Udaipur. We stayed at the hotel for one night. Actually, I did not realize while booking that the hotel's localization quite some trip from Udaipur, but we were not disappointed. Terrific location in the Aravali mountains, nicely renovated old palace. Modern design inside old walls. Unfortunately, since most of material inside is wood and marble bath for instance, it seems difficult to maintain in the room we stayed at needs some refurbishing though everything was very clean. Great view from the restaurant terrace. We thoroughly enjoyed our stay in Devigarh and would happily return. In fact, it was our favorite hotel in India. The setting is serene. The staff is super attentive. The rooms are really well appointed. The design of the place is sleek. It's a great rest after touring and a much more relaxing alternative to the hotels in Udaipur proper. RAAS Devigarh is a dream resort, an oasis nestled amidst the Aravalis. It transports one to the age of the Rajput fiefdom, the village-scape and sleepy temple town of Delwara, near Haldigati. There is only one catch. All this comes at a price tag. Palace and rooms are awesome. Need not go out, you can easily spend 1 or 2 days enjoying the palace. Stayed in garden rooms, excellent for individuals and group. We'll try palace rooms next time. Food is decent, not excellent. Food prices must be set right, not worth the money. This historic hotel is a destination in itself. Initially we were worried about the distance from Udaipur, but we found that our souls were more than satisfied by this mystical, magical palace. The staff were also very proud and knowledgeable about the heritage of the palace. Lots of nooks and crannies to explore, touches of elegance and beauty everywhere. Plus a heated pool. We were highly positively surprised by this hotel, received an upgrade, garden room to palace suite. Our stay was 10 out of 10 at every moment, food excellent, service gentle, smiling and discreet, enlightening of the hotel wonderful. The Agoda rate was very interesting compared to the usual rates of the hotel. Spa was extremely perfect except for the music, too continental and too loudly. Great hotel with great facilities, ideal for travelers wanting wellness and recovery from demands of traveling throughout Rajasthan before next leg of travels in India. For me, too far removed from central hub of Udaipur and too isolated, offering few facilities surrounding, being too reliant on hotel facilities. Can appreciate the property, the history and architecture and recommend, but not for those wanting to be amongst it with feel and ambience of Udaipur. We loved our stay at RAAS Devigarh. The property was amazing and staff were very helpful and attentive. Food was good, especially the organic vegetables from the kitchen garden. The spa was very good too. The only thing we did not enjoy was the very loud music which was on and off all the days we were there and in the night past midnight. We understand that locals need to celebrate weddings and festivals, but the level of decibels was very high and way past 10 p.m.